Hello everybody, I'm standing on I-35 right now where this supercell right behind me just got done producing a tornado. There is a semi tipped over and there is damage over there near Lakin, Illinois. But look at this supercell structure we have right now here in Illinois. This is a tornado producing supercell ongoing right now. The tornado has since lifted, but we now have a new base ongoing right now straight off to my west, north of Winona to the west side. As these storms continue to make their way across Illinois, you do not see structure like this very often in February, let alone in the northern plains.